Okay, demonstrating OLED. I've actually got this radio. I want to get rid of this radio. Souped it all up. Got a MosFET final in there. We got a variable power control, and as you can see, we've got the OLED display in there. You can see the transmit mode. It switches the power, and showing about a 6 right there. And if we watch the bird meter, it's a 50-watt slug. And that's the center scale, and it's about a 6 there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this down to right about there. That's about 5 on that scale. If you look at the bird, pretty well dead on a 5. And we'll take this down a little bit farther, all the way down. Looks like it's about 2.5 or 3 right there. And well, that's actually pretty darn accurate. Now we're going to talk into the radio. Ooh, audio. Ooh. Now this does have the MosFET final, which basically shows a little bit more. Hello. Ooh, audio. Hey, 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 hey. And that's a kick-ass radio. Oh, does this work on SWR scale? Absolutely. Flip the switch all the way down to the bottom, and if you tap the microphone twice, you'll get the SWR scale. And turn the calibration knob. Kind of hard to do with 2 fingers, but there we got it calibrated properly. Flip it to SWR, and we got a little bit of an SWR, but not too shabby. Okay, right now we're in Bargraph mode. Another cool feature this LED display has, for LED signal meter has, is you can shut this off. And what I'm going to do is key the microphone up, and then turn the radio back on at the same time, and it'll pop up in needle mode. Hello. Woo. Audio. And yeah, it all works the same way as SWR and calibration and everything.